If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I'm a huge fan of the Doko maglev keyboard cases for Samsung tablets. And believe it or not, even for their iPads. But some of my viewers has asked me how the Doko maglev keyboard stacks up to the Dexnor Magic keyboard. I am working on a comparison video about the Dexnor keyboard case, the Doko keyboard case, and the Dux keyboard case. With a little bit of luck, that video will be up and running next weekend. But I thought I should do a short review of the Dexnor keyboard case, the Dexnor Book Cover. Since I received that one recently in the mail. Cheers from Sweden and welcome to my channel. I post videos about being productive on your Samsung devices, so if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe for more. The Dexnor book cover comes in a pretty nice and large box. Seems to be well packaged. In the box you'll find, apart from the keyboard, some documentation and a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, that is used when that can be used when you want to charge your keyboard. The keyboard itself seems to be quite well built. I don't know what material is used, but the cover is some sort of hard, soft, rubbery material. Feels and looks pretty nice. I also like that there are no sharp edges on the keyboard part, like there are on the Doko maglev keyboard. There are some flecks in the hinge between the keyboard part and the part where you place your tablet. But I can't say that this makes a huge impact when you sit with the tablet in your lap, typing away on something. I did notice that the keyboard had a slight bent profile. Not by much, though. But when it comes to how the keyboard works, well, I can only say I was a little bit surprised. I've seen some reviews on YouTube where the touchpad, for instance, had some quirks while scrolling, for instance. And that some gestures didn't work at all. Or not the way Samsung users are used to. I don't know if Dexnor has updated the keyboard since these reviews, but I can honestly say that this touchpad is really good. All gestures I'm used to works, like swiping with 2 fingers for scrolling and 3 fingers to see all open apps, for instance, and so on. I've had some issues with the Doko maglev keyboard when it comes to scrolling, where things a few times starts to scroll the wrong way. I then couldn't say if this was due to the Doko touchpad or the Bluetooth drivers for Android or something else. But I have not seen the same thing when using the Dexnor touchpad. Not yet anyway, after about 3 days of use. The keyboard is not bad as well. It's very good. I miss my Swedish keys, but the typing experience is really good. Key travel is good. The sound is good. The size is good. And when it comes to the size of this keyboard, well, it is larger than the Doko maglev keyboard, and heavier by almost 200 grams. But the larger size also makes the typing experience a little bit more pleasant, with more space. And yes, I have no issues and any problems when I sit in my sofa. It works like a charm. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I will do a comparison video about the Dexnor keyboard, the Doko keyboard, and a Dexnor keyboard. And hopefully, with a little bit of luck, that video will be up and running next weekend. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely day. Bye!